The company mainly produces large forging parts used in nuclear power, wind power, hydropower, marine engineering, and other fields. The Guinness World Record, the largest integral ring-rolled steel ring with a diameter of 15.673 meters, was made by them. You can contact the company via the contact details in the video description area. The company is very happy to have your inquiry. Let's go and have a look. The company has 10 production bases in China and Spain, and more than 30 years of experience in serving the international market. It is a core manufacturer of global equipment forgings. The company follows the concept of green and recyclable development, using recycled machine processing scraps and urban scrap steel as raw materials for recycling, greatly reducing carbon emissions. Thousands of tons of scrap steel are consumed here every day. A huge scrap steel feedstock pool. Now the scrap steel is transported to the feedstock pool. Various types of crushed steel, which will improve smelting quality and efficiency and save energy. Starting to put in the conveyor belt. Feeding of raw materials onto conveyor belts. The raw material is transported to the electric arc furnace by means of a conveyor belt. Consteel electric arc furnace. The current passes through the graphite electrodes to generate a high-temperature arc between the scrap steel, melting the scrap steel. The raw material is fed into the electric arc furnace through the conveying port, putting in large steel blocks. Blowing toner and oxygen into the furnace creates a strong carbon-oxygen reaction, and in a moment you'll see the process. The dust hood is closed and the smoke is fully collected. Graphite electrode rods are inserted. This is the calm before the storm. The current passes through the graphite electrode, forming an arc instantly. The sound was like thunder suddenly exploding in the ears, causing the eardrums to go numb and the heart to stop. The high-temperature flue gas from smelting will be recycled through the side feed port. Next is the interior of the electric arc furnace. Please wear sunglasses to watch. The arc is a gas discharge. When the voltage is high enough, carbon powder, oxygen and the arc form a fierce carbon-oxygen reaction. The huge energy makes the air vibrate. It is difficult for me to keep the camera from shaking. The arc temperature can reach thousands of degrees, which can quickly melt the metal. The molten steel rolls, rages and boils inside. During the smelting process, slag needs to be added to adjust the composition and remove impurities. The scrap steel was melted in 1 hour. After the metal melted, the flames also calmed down, as if they had lost their reason to be frantic. Impurities flow out of the furnace door and are caught by specialized equipment. The temperature was measured before leaving the furnace, and the temperature needed to reach between 1500 degrees Celsius and 1600 degrees Celsius.